Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome all in today's active English class. Today, I will continue with chapter 11. Answer the questions. Children, with the help of given picture and few words, you are supposed to frame the answer. For example, the question is given, what has Prem opened? No? What is the question given here? What has Prem opened? What can you see in the picture? Can you see the open door in the picture? Yes, and the words given, the door, right? So with the help of these two, you are supposed to frame the answer. So what has Prem opened? The answer will be, he has opened the door. Yes, the answer will be, he has opened the door. Instead of using noun, we are using here pronoun. Okay, Prem is a boy, so its pronoun he will be used here. Okay, I hope this is clear. Once again, see, what has Prem opened? He has opened the door. Clear? Now repeat after me. What has Prem opened? He has opened the door. What has Prem opened? He has opened the door. Very good. See, now the words given, the window and picture you can see, right? What has Maya closed? Yes, she has closed the window. No, you can see clearly here. So, nicely you can frame answer with the help of given picture and words. What has Maya closed? She has closed the window. It is so simple, right? She has closed the window, right? Now repeat after me. What has Maya closed? She has closed the window. What has Maya closed? She has closed the window. Yes, here Maya, that means girl is there. So, instead of using Maya, we have used its pronoun, that is she. Correct? So, we have used she here. Fine? Now, you have to tell me the answer. See, the words given are the blackboard, and you can see a blackboard in the picture, right? So, now the question is, what has Raj cleaned? Yes, he has cleaned the blackboard. Okay, very good. He has cleaned the blackboard. No, isn't it easy? Yes. Okay, so the answer will be, he has cleaned the blackboard. Now repeat after me. What has Raj cleaned? He has cleaned the blackboard. What has Raj cleaned? He has cleaned the blackboard. Very good. A meal. Yes. What has Mrs. Shah cooked? Come on. Yes, Mrs. Shah means she, right? She has cooked a meal. Very good. She has cooked a meal. Very good. Okay. Come on. Now repeat after me. What has Mrs. Shah cooked? She has cooked a meal. What has Mrs. Shah cooked? She has cooked a meal. Very good. Yes. What has Maya washed? She has washed her dress. Very good. Correct answer. She has washed her dress. Very good. So come on, repeat after me. What has Maya washed? She has washed her dress. What has Maya washed? She has washed her dress. A tree. Yes. What has Team climbed? Come on, tell me. Team means a boy, right? So he has climbed a tree. Very good. Correct answer. He has climbed a tree. Repeat. What has Team climbed? He has climbed a tree. What has Team climbed? He has climbed a tree. Yes. What has the man mended? He has mended a shoe. Well tried. Yes. He has mended a shoe. Good. Now repeat. What has the man mended? He has mended a shoe. What has the man mended? He has mended a shoe. Yes, I think you all are finding it very easy, right? No? Okay. Now we'll continue with change into question and then write short answers. Okay. First, we need to change the given sentence into a question and then you have to write its short answer. Fine. See, for example, here also the picture is given. He has opened the door. So, how to change into question? Children, do you remember we have learned to change into question in the chapter number 2. Okay, in second chapter we have already learned how to change into question, how to change the given sentence into a question, right? So he has opened the door. So while converting or while making the question, you are supposed to interchange first two words. He has. So while converting it, has he. That means he pronoun and has means helping verb. You are supposed to interchange. Has he. Instead of he has, you have to make has he. Rest will be the same. Has he opened the door? And at the end, you need to write question mark. So has he opened the door? Question mark. That means you are asking a question. And you have to write the short answer. You don't have to write the answer in full sentence. Okay. So short answer will be yes, he has. Okay. Because the sentence given, he has opened the door. So that tells you yes, he has. Okay. Has he opened the door? Yes, he has. That means we have written a short reply. Okay, a short answer. Clear? Now repeat after me. He has opened the door. Has he opened the door? Yes, he has. He has opened the door. Has he opened the door? Yes, he has. Yes, children, one more thing. While writing short answer, after yes, you have to write comma. Okay, yes, then comma, and then short reply, that is he has. Okay, fine. She has not closed the window. Your picture is not given, but you will be able to frame a question. Huh? She has not closed the window. So, come on. Has she? Yes. Huh? You have to interchange. That means, has she closed the window? No, she hasn't. Yes. Has she closed the window? What is the sentence given? She has not closed the window. That means the short reply will be no, she hasn't. Correct? Now repeat after me. She has not closed the window. Has she closed the window? Yes, this we have framed the question. Okay, and then the short reply is no, she hasn't. Repeat. Yes, one more time. She has not closed the window. Has she closed the window? No, she hasn't. Mohan has cleaned the blackboard. Come on, just try. Mohan has cleaned the blackboard. Mohan means a boy. So, what will be the pronoun? He. Yes. So, has he cleaned the blackboard? Yes. Okay. Has he cleaned the blackboard? Then question mark. And then what will be the short reply? Short answer? Yes. He has. Very good. Okay. Has he cleaned the blackboard? Yes, he has. Okay. Come on, repeat after me. Mohan has cleaned the blackboard. Has he cleaned the blackboard? Yes, he has. Mohan has cleaned the blackboard. Has he cleaned the blackboard? Yes, he has. Mrs. Shah has not washed the clothes. Yes. Has she? Yes, Mrs. Shah is a female. So, she. So, she? Has she washed the clothes? No, she hasn't. Very good. Because she has not washed the clothes, right? So, has she washed the clothes? No, she hasn't. Right? Very good. Now, come on. Repeat after me. Mrs. Shah has not washed the clothes. Has she washed the clothes? No, she hasn't. Mrs. Shah has not washed the clothes. Has she washed the clothes? No, she hasn't. Mohan has finished the work. Yes, has he finished the work? Correct. Has he finished the work? Yes, he has. Very good. Has he finished the work? Yes, he has. Correct answer. Come on. Repeat after me. Mohan has finished the work. Has he finished the work? Yes, he has. Mohan has finished the work. Has he finished the work? Yes, he has. Very good. The man has not mended the window. Yes, come on. Has he mended the window? Yes. Has he mended the window? No, he hasn't. Very good. Correct. Has he mended the window? No, he hasn't. Right? Good. Now repeat. The man has not mended the window. Has he mended the window? No, he hasn't. The man has not mended the window. Has he mended the window? No, he hasn't. Good. Maya has cooked a meal. So, the question will be, has she cooked a meal? Very good. Has she cooked a meal? And the short reply will be, yes, she has. Very good. Has she cooked a meal? Yes, she has. Repeat after me. Maya has cooked a meal. Has she cooked a meal? Yes, she has. Maya has cooked a meal. Has she cooked a meal? Yes, she has. Raj has not filled the bottle. Has he? Yes. Filled the bottle. Has he filled the bottle? Correct. Then the short reply will be no, he hasn't. Yes. Has he filled the bottle? No, he hasn't. Good. Repeat. Raj has not filled the bottle. Has he filled the bottle? No, he hasn't. Raj has not filled the bottle. Has he filled the bottle? No, he hasn't. Very good. Anu has counted the rulers. Has she counted the rulers? Very good. Has she counted the rulers? Yes, she has. Good. Has she counted the rulers? Yes, she has. Correct answer. Now repeat after me. Anu has counted the rulers. Has she counted the rulers? Yes, she has. Anu has counted the rulers. Has she counted the rulers? Yes, she has. Prem has not borrowed a rubber. Prem has not borrowed a rubber. Come on, just tell me. Has he borrowed a rubber? Very good. Has he borrowed a rubber? And the short answer will be no, he hasn't. Very good. Has he borrowed a rubber? No, he hasn't. Okay. Repeat after me. Prem has not borrowed a rubber. Has he borrowed a rubber? No, he hasn't. Prem has not borrowed a rubber. Has he borrowed a rubber? No, he hasn't. Good. Miss Rao has posted the letter. Has she posted the letter? Very good. Has she posted the letter? Yes, she has. Very good. Has she posted the letter? Yes, she has. Come on, repeat. Miss Rao has posted the letter. Has she posted the letter? Yes, she has. Miss Rao has posted the letter. Has she posted the letter? Yes, she has. The men have not painted the house. Children, see in this sentence, the noun is plural. Okay, the men. So the noun is plural. So what will be the pronoun we are going to use? Instead of the men, they will come, right? Yes. And the helping verb which we have used is have. So for plural noun we use have. Okay, and for singular noun has, we use has. For example, he has, she has. Okay, so the noun in this sentence is plural, so we have used have. Correct? So now just try to frame question. Have, instead of the men, they will come. Okay, have they painted the house? Very good. Okay, Have they painted the house? No, they haven't. Okay? No, they haven't. That means no, they have not. Okay? So, the question will be, have they painted the house? And the short reply will be, no, they haven't. Okay? Have they painted the house? No, they haven't. I hope this is clear. Yes. Now repeat after me. The men have not painted the house. Have they painted the house? No, they haven't. The men have not painted the house. Have they painted the house? No, they haven't. Okay, children, here we have completed the whole chapter 11. Okay, so I want you all to just revise thoroughly. This chapter is very easy. Yes? Did you find it easy? Yes. So now keep revising. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye. Sai Ram.